Hi, I'm Jason with Tecumseh Products. I'm here today at the China Refrigeration Expo 2026 in Beijing. Today, Tecumseh is really proud to launch a new project to the market. This is the Tecumseh Monobloc that we're launching in Asia and Europe today. We have this from half horse all the way up to 2.5 horse for chiller and freezer applications. We also have units that have single fan and 2 fan units on the evaporator, making this a true plug and play unit that can be used to drop in for contractors, making this a really easy to install application. Some of the features that we have in this unit is a preset pressure switch for the units to help to control the pressure. Everything is factory pre-installed, so again, none of the work here that needs to be done. The unit is also pre-charged with the refrigerant that it needs, so again, contractors don't need to worry about presetting the refrigerants they need for the units. We also have a controller that's preset with all the systems to manage the defrost via hot gas defrost for the systems. We have a drainage system that also help with the evaporative part of the unit to drain the water out of the unit as well. So once again, this is the Tecumseh Monobloc. To find out more information, go to www.tecumseh.com.